This is a Logitech tab where you can control your meeting rooms through this tab scheduler. And here is a QR code where you can just bring your phone and scan this QR code and join the meeting. And here, this is in your organization, if anybody has been scheduled the meeting for a day, it will be popped up here where you can just enter the meeting room and just touch on the join button and you can join the meeting. And this is a meet now where you don't have any plan to schedule a meeting where randomly you have to come and schedule a team with your the meeting with your team. Then you can just type a name of that particular person and you can add them. And this is just a meet now, and this is a call. What does this? You can enter their name and or the email ID. It might be within the organization or outside the organization. It's just type your name and or the email ID where you can have a call with them. And this is share button. In this there are two options. One is the wireless casting, with that can be done through your laptop, and this is a connected device where the HDMI cable connect and you can present your content. And this is join where you no need to share your content. Then bring your meeting ID, or it might be a Google Meet, Zoom ID. You can type your meeting ID and the password and join a team meeting. And this accessibility and more is all on the settings part of this Logitech. Thank you.